Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you step by step how to find Litecoin address in Binance. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open your Binance app and here you have to click on deposit button. When you click on it, here you have to click on the deposit crypto. Now here you have to click on it. After that, type Litecoin in the search bar. Now here you guys are seeing LTC in front of you, you guys have to click on it. After clicking on it, here you have to click on the first option, Litecoin. After that you have to copy this address here. To copy, click on this icon in front of your address. In this way you can copy the address of Litecoin in Binance. Thanks for watching this video, please subscribe my channel.